Today we're checking out this power heated and power folding mirror with a puddle light, temperature sensor, and turn signal in texture black for the driver's side of the 2019 and newer Ram 1500. If you're looking to combine style with some smart functionality, this mirror upgrade is definitely worth checking into. This mirror packs a lot of high value functionality into a clean factory style package. The heating element quickly clears frost and fog, ensuring safe visibility in that cold weather condition. Its power folding design lets you fold the mirror in from inside the cab, great for tight spaces and narrow garage parking. The built-in turn signal lights inside the mirror housing is going to increase your visibility when you're signaling, making your intentions more clear to the drivers around you when you're changing lanes and turning. A puddle light underneath the mirror is going to gently illuminate the ground at night, adding safety and convenience when you're getting in and out of the truck in those low light conditions. As an added bonus, it has that temperature sensor displaying the ambient outside temperature in the vehicle's gauge cluster, letting you monitor weather conditions in real time. The durable ABS construction and the texture black finish keep it looking factory fresh, and it doesn't look like an out of place upgrade. This is built for long-term durability. This mirror uses rugged ABS plastic to resist any knocks and weather or chipping from road debris. There's going to be multiple high-grade electronics on this thing, including the heating element, the folding mechanism, the turn signal lights, the puddle light, and that ambient temperature sensor, and they're all sealed for long-lasting operation. It's designed to match the OEM mirror, using the same harness and mounting points for a clean integration into your truck. Now when it comes to the pricing on this, it's coming in right around that mid $200 price range. And for that price point, you're getting a high function, feature packed mirror replacement at around OEM pricing, and it's not gonna break the bank. The installation on this is gonna get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in just 1 hour of your time right there in the driveway, since it uses those factory mounting locations. Now let's head on out to the shop, and we're gonna give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
For this install, you need a ratchet, 10mm socket, extension, flathead screwdriver, and clip removal tool. All right, today we're gonna be installing a mirror on our Ram, so let's get started. All right, in order to get our mirror off, we have to remove our door panel. So we have a few bolts, 2 under here, 1 under here. Just gonna grab a small flathead screwdriver and just pull up on these panels, get access to them. One there, one here. Now you see 3 10mm bolts. We're gonna grab our ratchet, 10mm socket, an extension, get in there. All right, so our door panel has our bolts removed. We just need to pull up from the bottom, release our tabs, couple holding it on. We're gonna lift straight up off of our lock, and then we just need to unplug our harness and our release. All right, so we just have to release our harness from our window switch. Just a locking tab, we're gonna pull down that. Pull that out. And then we have our latch for our handle. Now there's 2 securing tabs on the back side of this. We're just gonna push them in with our flathead screwdriver. I'll show you once we get it off. Pull that through and release that out of our latch. You'll see the 2 tabs right there and there that just need to squeeze in together. So to get access to our bolts, we have to remove our trim here, which goes across the whole window. It's just simple, a couple push clips that hold it on. You can actually just pull these off by hand, usually. Just work this off around. So we're gonna come down and follow our mirror harness down. We got 2 connectors here. We're just gonna unplug them from our module. All right, now here's where you wanna grab a clip removal tool. Now there should be clips like this along the harness. Ours has been out multiple times, so they're broken. But you just need to grab this and just release it from our plastic door panel. Remember, now we just have 4 bolts holding on our mirror, so let's get that off. So we'll grab our ratchet 10mm socket. We're gonna take off 2 bolts and 2 nuts. Just make sure you're holding the mirror once you take the last one off so it doesn't fall. Go ahead, set that aside. Pull your mirror off and just fish your harness through. All right, so we'll get our new mirror and we're gonna fish our harness through our hole here. Get this lined up and we'll get our studs through and just get our nuts loosely installed on them. So we'll hold it in place. We'll get our 2 bolts threaded in and we'll go ahead and tighten all of this down. Grab the ratchet, 10mm socket, and go ahead. All right, we'll get our harness routed, get a couple push clips in. Now, if you want, you can zip tie the rest of this just to this factory harness because it's not perfect where these line up. We're gonna get our 2 push clips in. Now they only go in one spot, so you cannot get them mixed up. Push them until they click. And we go ahead and get our door panel back on. So first thing is our trim panel we took off. Now there is a groove on the inside of this that's gonna just go on the door frame here. Just get everything lined up and just kind of walk it into place. I'll get your push clips put back in place. You'll notice we have a couple missing and or broken. It's no big deal. Just make sure you reinstall them. 2 here, 2 here. Door panel will hold this up the rest of the way. So we're gonna get our door panel back on. First thing we need to do is plug back in our window switch. And then we have our latch. Make sure you put that in your handle first, pull it back, and then simply just push it back in to lock into the housing. Now we'll get our door panel back on. You'll see all your pins going around that go into the grommets in the door. Also, you need to get it over your door lock. So let's get that lined up first. Give it a tap all the way around, lock all those in, and we just have our bolts left. All right, we'll go back to our ratchet, 10mm socket and extension, and get our 3 bolts put back in. And our 1 up top here. And then lastly, we just had to reinstall our covers. Just line up the tabs and push it in. Now, once you have this all put back together, you can go to repeat the same thing for the other side. And that wraps up our install of our power heated, power folding mirror with puddle light, temperature sensor, and turn signal. Textured black for our driver's side for our 2019 and newer Ram 1500. And remember, for everything Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.